This is a 1967 Dodge Charger with the big block 383 engine. We just did the entire exhaust system, did it upright with some nice 2.5-inch exhaust pipes, tucked it all in there nice and clean, out to some old school angle cut tips there, as you can see. Nice and clean, going over the differential. Some nice Magnaflow wide open mufflers to a H pipe, just like Chrysler would have put on there. Keeps it nice and clean sounding. Took the nasty old headers off there. They put a sniper fuel injection system on it. Can't keep them from leaking. Causes a problem with that wide band sensor. So we went with the year one factory style performance manifolds. Hard to see from the bottom. I'll do another picture up top. Got the wide band sensor in there like it should be, so it's going to read properly. It's got a nice clean look to it now. It's not all hanging down like it was before. Let's see what it sounds like. Bit of that old school rumble. Just what the customer asked for. Still self-learning itself, so it'll idle down a little bit after that sniper figures everything out. Got to go through some tuning and driving to get all the work out. Okay, like I said, yes, we took the headers off and put these year one reproduction manifolds on there. Everything fits like it should, as should. None of the headers, Hooker, Headman, anybody ever made a header that fit these with the factory gearbox still in them. And unless you change out that front end, you're not going to get a header that fit these and not leak. My 40 years of doing this, I never saw any that worked, so we went back to the original design. The headers just don't work on this application, never did. For me at least, but customers should be happy with that. Got a nice look to it.